Want to know how to use AgentGPT for studies and much more? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own agent that helps you in studies, homeworks, assignments, and exams. So let's get right into it. So for that, you need to just simply use a template from AgentGPT itself. So what you can do is make sure you are under the home screen of AgentGPT, and it will look something like this right here. And now once you're there, here you should be seeing 3 various templates by default. Sometimes you can just simply see study GPT right here. You can just simply select that. Or what you can do is you can just simply head towards templates right here. And now once I select the templates, you can just scroll all the way down until you see study GPT. So it should be right here. Just simply select that and it should open up. Now once that is done, you can just simply prompt study GPT just like this right here. So it should automatically create one for you. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you have a perfect study agent GPT. I hope this video helped. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of this similar agent GPT videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.